Hello everyone and welcome to 5 Minute German. In today's video, I will tell you how you can ask about the name of anything in German. Along with it, we will also learn some new words which will improve your vocabulary. So let's get started. So how can you ask about things in German? So in German, whenever you have to ask about something, you can ask it by saying Was ist das? Which means what is that? Was ist das? Meaning what is that? So let's take an example. Let's suppose you have this table and you don't know what it is. So you will say Was ist das? And then your colleague will say Das ist ein Tisch, which means that is a table. So we say ein Tisch because it is their Tisch. So I also have a video about the articles which I will also link. You can take a look. Now let's take some more examples. We have this chair. So you say Was ist das? The answer is Das ist ein Stuhl. That is a chair and it is their Stuhl. Similarly, we have this clock. So you will ask Was ist das? Das ist eine Uhr. That is a clock. So it is die Uhr. That's why we have eine Uhr. The next thing is a window. So was ist das? Das ist ein Fenster. That is a window. Das Fenster. The next example, a pen. So was ist das? Das ist ein Stift. That is a pen. And it is their Stift. The next one. So was ist das? Das ist ein Sofa. That is a sofa. And it is das Sofa. Next example, a wall. So was ist das? Das ist eine Wand. That is a wall. And it is die Wand. Moving on, was ist das? Das ist eine Tür. That is a door. So it is die Tür. Next example, was ist das? Das ist eine Tasse. That is a cup. And it is die Tasse. Let's look at some clothes now. Was ist das? Das ist ein Hemd, which is a collar shirt. And it is das Hemd. A t-shirt in German is simply a t-shirt. Was ist das? Das ist eine Jacke. That is a jacket. Die Jacke. Was ist das? Das ist ein Hund. That is a dog. And it is their Hund. The next example. Was ist das? Das ist eine Katze. That is a cat. Die Katze. Then, I think you know this. Was ist das? Das ist ein Teller. That is a plate. And it is their teller. Oftentimes when you are in a restaurant, then a plate with food in it is also called a teller. So you can say I would like to have a shawarma teller. Next example. Was ist das? Das ist eine Flasche. That is a bottle. Die Flasche. Then the last example. Was ist das? Das ist ein Spiegel. That is a mirror. And it is their Spiegel. So now you know how to ask questions with Was ist das? Great job. This will help you increase your vocabulary because you can always go outside and ask Was ist das? And you will learn a new word. So go out and learn new words and improve your vocabulary. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. I am currently making other German A1 videos. So please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of these videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.